8. You will find this exercise on page 136 in the Namibian Mathematics Grade 8 textbook, y equals mx plus c to success. Now, before we're going to start with the exercise, I just want to take you back to the table. It's always good if you first, okay, here's the table. Now that exercise, it will only be either percentage increase and decrease, finding the amount, or percentage increase and decrease, finding the percentage. So I want you in that exercise to first classify it's like number 3 or it's like number 4, and then to do the sums. Okay, let's go back to the exercise. Okay. Okay, it's going to be the next one. So I marked already the sums that I want you to do. You can stop the video, you can first do all the sums, and then you can continue to see the results. Okay. Let's just read through the first one and then make a decision. Is it like 3? Am I finding the percentage increase, decrease, or am I finding the amount? So in a garage, the market price of a car was 160,000. The price is reduced by 15%. What is the new price of the car? So can you see, although it's increase and decrease, they want me to find the amount. And if it's the amount, then I can say that this one will be like method 3, will be like the percentage sums that I classified in 3. So let's do it. Number 3. Okay, so you can do any method. So you can do method 1, you can do method 2, but usually I think we can do it in the, I'm going to first work out what is 15% of 160,000. Now, if you work out that, you will going to get 24,000. That is what is 15%. You can put the Namibian dollar there. Okay. Now, what happened to the price is reduced. What does reduced mean? It means subtract. So you will take the 160,000 and you will subtract the 24,000 and you will get an answer of, I'm just going to undo that. You will get an answer of 136,000. 136,000 Namibian dollar. Okay, now because it's a practical sum, we're going to end by saying the new price of the car is, and now you can just say that amount and you put a point. Okay, so can you see that this was like method 3? Now, let's read number 5. The population of a village increased from 250 to 350. What is the percentage increase? Can you see they don't want mere amount, they like an amount, they want the percentage increase. Then it's definitely like the last one we did, and that was classified under number 4. So let's do that. That's number 5. Okay, so first we're going to find the change. Or you can say the difference, it doesn't matter. So I'm just going to take the big one and I'm going to subtract the small one. And I will get an answer of 100. Okay, and now to find the percentage increase, I'm going to take that 100 and put it over the original one. Remember the one they mentioned first, and that was 250. And then to make it a percentage, I multiply by 100%. And my answer will be 40%. And I will end with a sentence because it's a practical sum. The population increase with 40% point. Okay. Okay, let's go through number 7. A man rents a flat for 3,400 a month. How much will the rent be if it increased by 5.5%? Remember, you want to find the new amount. And if you find the amount, then we classify it under number 3 in the table. So how are we going to do that? Let's do that one. That's going to be number 7. So I'm first, you can do it in one. We can now do this one a little bit different and just do it with the method 1. Can you remember method 1? So we basically just going to take that 3,400 and we're going to just add 5.5. We work out first 5.5% of 3,400. And then because it's increased, do you see? It's increased. So we're going to add it up. So we're going to get 3,400 plus 187. And the answer will be 3,587. 3,587 Namibian dollar. Again, it's a practical sum. So what we can say, how much will the rent be if it in the new rent will be 3,587 Namibian dollar. Okay, now let's look at the last one. The price of a large eggs decreased from 12.50 to 11.25 per dozen. What was the percentage decrease in the price? So can you see they want the percentage decrease. So definitely this is the same as that one which we classify as number. Remember, we classified it as number 4. Okay, and I think, are we going to have enough space to work here? Maybe if we move it up a little bit, we will have enough space. Okay, so let's take another color. We can take red. So it's 9. So first, always find the change. Or let's call it now the difference. And that will be the 12.50 minus the 11.25. And that will be 1.25. So the percentage decrease equals 1.25, and you put it over always the original. Look, what was the original one? The one they mentioned first. So it's 12.50, and to make it, we multiply by 100%. And my answer will be exactly 10%. And I have to move it up to end with my sentence. So we can say the price of eggs decrease with 10%. Point. So if you classify your percentage sums with, and you just, before you start with the sum, decide, is it this method or method 3 or method 4, then you will usually have your answers correct.